But ladies and gentlemen, you know we all miss Elvis. You know you do, deep inside. And all the other musicians like Hank and Janice and Jimmy and for every musician who passed on up to heaven, generally due to poor physical maintenance. There's another musician who's died and gone to heaven due to lawn and garden accidents. That's right. Quite a handful of them, actually. Like the drummer for Toto. God, how we miss him. Jeff Porcaro was his name, who died just spraying weeds in his own backyard. Or Merle Watson, the great bluegrass guitarist who passed away in a similar agriculture-related accident. Nobody's ever going to write a song about these gentlemen, so we thought we would. This is for all the men who fought the lawn and the lawn won. Goodbye, Jeff Porcaro. He won't be back tomorrow. Better drummer the whole wide world will never see. Well, he kept down the beat, but not those backyard weeds. Took a riding mower and strapped on a barrel of DDT. When a toxic cloud just carried him away, spewing from the only drum he never really learned to play. It wasn't fast cars and airplanes, it wasn't cocaine or drugs, it wasn't alcohol binges, it was shrubbery and bugs. Gave the world all the music that he had inside, and then he got on his fly-mo and rode up to the sky. It was around 3 a.m. Merle Watson took that spin just to feel that country breeze in his hand. But he plowed into a tree, literally. See the fatal factor. Merle was on a tractor, and if that highway to heaven's full of men who live too fast, at least Merle's on his tractor, making sure they can't get past. It wasn't fast cars and airplanes, it wasn't cocaine or drugs, it wasn't alcohol binges, it was shrubbery and bugs. Gave the world all the music that he had inside, and then he got on his tractor and rode up. Well, they weren't injecting needles, they were just trying to kill beetles when they got on their tractors and rode up to the sky. Up to the sky. Oh, Rosanna. Oh, baby. Oh, not a pretty